Three major underpinnings of evolutionary theory: variation, selection, and retention. Welcome to the Dare to Make Art of Machine Design. My name is Folgers Eduardo Rojas, and today we're continuing to explore the product development process that I follow in order to look at a product from bench level idea all the way to large-scale customer interaction. And that process is in the visual representation of a pyramid. As we look at the pyramid, I'm actually looking at the pyramid and we're going up the function phase. We make that leap into the creativity point of view, and from then on is that we're actually going to be looking at creating this holistic phase evolution. That top creativity pyramid is a point of view that I like to basically consider of identity. That is your special sauce. That is who you are as an individual. And that goes to addressing three different questions that a designer, an engineer, and a company should consider, which is, who am I? Why am I doing this? And why is this important? And that is basically gets to the core of the fuel that's getting us to design a product or solve a problem. There's a lot of other things that we are as individuals, and that is what we do. So for me, I like astronomy. That is a hobby. I like art and history. That is a hobby. I do woodworking. That is a hobby. Those are all components of my skill set that make up that bottom of the pyramid structure. Now, let's start getting a bigger picture on this. The really interesting part from the creativity point of view is that when we are there, it's going to be at a different level of what we're going to look at and evaluate based on the phase of the product development where we are in. One of the best ways for me to share with you exactly what goes on from this creativity peak point of view is to actually show you what I do. So I'm going to take, for example, this medical device that is at the bench level prototype stage, and it's for wrist distraction, and I'm going to go and create the subsequent videos for it that are going to go and take it from the bench level prototype, me working with a team of surgeons and faculty to turn it into a sizing prototype, and then making the transition from that sizing prototype to a functional prototype, and then towards a production unit. Now I'm also going to share with you how I take this Intra Oasis tip finder, which was developed during the Ebola crisis recently, that is already past the bench level prototype and is already in a functional status, yet we need to make that final jump from a functional unit and make it into a unit that is full-scale mass production unit. Those two examples should help us get a better understanding what happens from that creativity peak to evaluate all the four sides simultaneously, and how that is weighted based on the prototype phase which we're in. And just to recap, the prototype phases are four: bench level prototype, sizing prototype, functional prototype, and production unit. And we are finishing up from that creativity peak what we do, which is our goal is to rapidly evaluate and converge towards a holistic phase evolution to jump from those prototype stages. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want to see additional videos on other material, please leave a message below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.